We are group R3 and our group member are Sun Menghan, Yang Dian, and Yang Hang. And our supervisor is Professor Zhang Yingjun Angela. You may have noticed that in rural areas, the internet connectivity and teaching resources are quite limited, so the students there can barely get enough and essential educations as needed. So as to fully spread elementary educations, the IEEE academic is hoping to provide e-learning resources to those remote areas by wireless communication. And our project is to provide a solution to achieve this objective and establish an interactive e-learning system based on wireless communication.
As you may know, IEEE Academic is currently offering free educational multimedia materials online. Our project is based on the condition that we can provide those educational materials periodically. So the main purpose of our project is to build up a local e-learning system that those rural area students can access to those materials without internet connectivity. With above preconditions, our solution roughly includes four parts: the portable repository, mobile devices, web application as e-learning system, and wireless communication approach. And this figure shows the framework of our solution. Now let me introduce some details of each part. Portable repository has the most important roles in our project. First, it performs as web application servers, including Apache HTTP servers, PHP servers as scripting language, MySQL database. Second, it consists our web application e-learning system, which performs as an interface between students and our background database. Another part is the mobile device, which is the student side. There may be some donated devices such as laptops, tablets, or smartphones. Next part is a wireless communication approach. We use our repository as a Wi-Fi transmitter and set up a wireless local area network to allow mobile devices to access to our e-learning system wirelessly. The implementation of our project can be divided into three parts. The first one is the server. We choose to build an everything on one server on a Mac, which includes Apache, PHP, and MySQL. After finish all the setup and configurations of the server, we can start to build our website. The e-learning website. This is the framework of our website. Now I will demo the system to you. First, this is the homepage of our system. There is a search bar. You can search the course ID or course name. Suppose we search course 1, and there will be a link linked to course 1's information page. Or search letter I. There will show all the course names contains I. And there will also show some recommended courses in the below area. Then you can register an account. Then you have an account. You can use it to log in. After logging in, there will show all the courses of in our database. And if you
click the My Course page, there will show all the course you are learning. Now there is none because you are a new user. We can enroll one course. Then it will be shown under My Course page. You can watch videos.
Come on, Tom. Let's finish this the way we started. Together.
And then after watching the video, you can do the quiz. Only if the score is over 60, you will pass the course, the quiz, and go to the next video. Then the next video is shown, and you can check your score under my profile page. And you can quit the course as well. After quitting the course, there will be no course to under my course page. That is all about our website. And about the wireless communication, we choose to open an ad hoc Wi-Fi transmission on the Mac so the other device can connect to our system by device-to-device network. And the next part is the future plan.
We have mentioned that the ultimate purpose of our project is to establish a complete interactive e-learning system to connect learners in rural areas using wireless communication, allowing them to access multimedia learning materials freely. So far, we have finished the preliminary design and structural implementations of our project. To achieve the ultimate purpose, in the next semester, we need further enhancement to the system. First, we will build a consistent database with IEEE Academic so that we can automatically fetch the learning materials to our own database at any time when the server has a network connectivity. Secondly, we plan to add more specific features to the e-learning system. For example, we will add an administrator user to with authority to manage the background database and improve the user interface of the web pages and layout on different mobile devices. Thirdly, we will test the compatibility on different operating system platforms to make sure the e-learning system and wireless communication strategy work as well. Furthermore, we are going to implement a delay-tolerant network, allowing discontinuous network connectivity from users which generally occurs in rural areas. In this case, we plan to fulfill the whole project with a complete and considerate solution in the next semester, bringing real benefits to learners in rural areas and making efforts on spreading elementary education. That's all for our project.